As always, take a backup before doing any software update. To upgrade to macOS Sonoma 14, click on the Apple icon on the menu bar and click System Settings. On the window that opens, on the left side, you should see a software update notice. If so, click on it. Otherwise, click General on the left side and then click Software Update on the right. Wait for the macOS Sonoma update to show up and then click Upgrade Now. Your Mac will show the black software update screen and it may reboot a few times. After the upgrade is done, you will see the new Sonoma login screen. Please like if this video helped you, subscribe for more tutorials, comment to ask questions or to give feedback. Thank you.